I hear this mass murderer called Dr. Spade.
Yeah, he's pretty badass.
You know, he just freaking murders people with bears, and then you're gone.
Yeah, I know. Dude, where did Paul go? What the heck? Where'd he go?
Where'd Gary go? Oh. I killed him with this spade. Oh, really? Finally? Yeah, I know. He was pretty stubborn. He bled everywhere. Yeah.